Are you looking for the best 4-cup coffee maker pots? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best 4-cup coffee maker pots on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. CHAR YONG 4-cup glass carafe. The CHAR YONG 4-cup carafe is designed for convenience and ease of use. Its easy pour spout allows you to serve coffee without spills, while the clearly marked cup measurements help you brew the perfect amount every time. The durable construction features a sturdy handle, ensuring a comfortable grip as you pour. Additionally, the flavor seal lid keeps your coffee fresh, enhancing your overall brewing experience. This carafe is compatible with various Mr. Coffee models, making it a versatile choice for coffee lovers. What we like: easy pour spout, durable construction, comfortable grip handle, dishwasher safe. Number 2. Univen 4-cup glass carafe for Oster. The Univen 4-cup carafe is specifically designed for use with Oster Coffeemaker models 3301 and 4287. It stands at 4.25 inches tall, ensuring a perfect fit for your coffee maker. Before ordering, it's essential to verify that this height will accommodate your machine. This carafe is not a universal part, so checking your model number is crucial for compatibility. With its quality construction, you can rely on this carafe to enhance your brewing experience and enjoy your favorite coffee with ease. What we like: compatible with specific Oster models, quality construction for durability, perfect height for easy use, helps avoid ordering mistakes. Number 3. ALLCUP 4-cup espresso glass carafe. The ALLCUP espresso glass carafe is designed to hold up to 4 cups of espresso, making it perfect for sharing with friends or family. Made from high-quality borosilicate glass, it offers excellent heat resistance and durability, ensuring it can withstand daily use. The carafe features an easy pour design with a handle and angled spout, allowing you to serve without spills. Additionally, the removable lid adds convenience, making it easier to fill and clean. This versatile carafe is compatible with various espresso machines, ensuring you can replace your old or damaged pot effortlessly. What we like: heat-resistant borosilicate glass, easy pour design, removable lid for convenience, compatible with multiple brands. Number 4. Cuisinart 4-cup coffee carafe. The Cuisinart 4-cup coffee carafe is an essential accessory for your Cuisinart coffee maker. This OEM-authorized part is designed to fit various Cuisinart models, including 3066, 3067, 3093, 3094, 3111, 3112, KF140, and KF352. Made in the United States, this coffee carafe offers convenience and durability. With its 4-cup capacity, it allows you to brew enough coffee to enjoy throughout the day. The carafe is easy to use and clean, making it a practical choice for any coffee lover. Whether you're brewing for yourself or a small group, the Cuisinart 4-cup coffee carafe ensures that you always have a fresh, hot cup of coffee at your fingertips. What we like: OEM authorized, fits various Cuisinart models, easy to use and clean. Number 5. Universal Glass Espresso Carafe Replacement. The Universal Glass Espresso Carafe Replacement is a high-quality product made from German borosilicate glass. It has a large handle and angled spout for a steady and mess-free pour of espresso. This carafe is universal and works with almost all espresso machines in the market. It is elegant, functional, and can hold up to 4 cups of espresso. The black handle offers efficiency and ease of use. This product is dishwasher safe. What we like: made from high-quality German borosilicate glass, large handle and angled spout for steady and mess-free pour. Universal and works with almost all espresso machines in the market.